Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to enable NSFW content in Grok on iPhone or Android. So now Grok includes a setting that allows you to view sensitive or NSFW content. However, this option may be disabled by default, and if you want to enable it, just open Grok app on your device. After opening the Grok app, just click on two horizontal lines at top left corner of the screen and then click on this settings icon. Now on the settings page, scroll down and within this section you will find NSFW options and you just need to enable the toggle right to it. But if you don't see the option, then don't worry. Just like me, this feature may not be available for your account as well, and in that case make sure the app is updated to the latest version and also wait for the future update from Grok. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.